Get ready to redefine your smartphone experience. Uncover the magic of Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra and see how it's set to forever change the way we use smartphones. Be a part of the future and witness how it's reshaping the future of smartphones. Don't just keep up with the times, be ahead of them. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the future of smartphones unveiled. Samsung is poised to redefine the smartphone industry with its latest offering, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This flagship phone, set to be unveiled at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, is expected to be the benchmark against which all 2024 flagships will be measured. The ultimate Android flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is more than just a phone. It's Samsung's vision for the future of smartphones. It embodies the essence of what consumers expect from a leading Android flagship. With no room for errors or weaknesses, the S24 Ultra is designed to be a really good phone in every sense. Building on the success of the S23 Ultra, Samsung's iterative approach ensures that the S24 Ultra will feature all the requisite upgrades in specifications. A family affair, the S24 Ultra is not alone. It's part of the Galaxy S24 family, which includes the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus handsets. Any issues with these lower-tier models could impact the perception of the S24 Ultra, highlighting the importance of maintaining a high standard across the entire portfolio. Powering the future, the S24 Ultra will exclusively run the highly respected Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, addressing community concerns about the disparity between the Exynos and Snapdragon chipsets used in lower-tier models. AI revolution. Samsung's leadership in the Android space, coupled with its popularity and media interest, positions the Galaxy S24 Ultra as the handset to beat. The upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event will showcase the company's significant strides in integrating artificial intelligence, AI, into smartphones. Samsung's Gauss AI system, officially launched at the end of 2023, is set to revolutionize the user experience. Several AI features, particularly around the camera, have already been teased. Both Qualcomm and Samsung have ensured that their respective Snapdragon and Exynos chipsets have dedicated hardware to enhance AI and machine learning, ML, software routines. Bringing AI to the masses. Samsung's ability to bring AI to the broadest possible market is unmatched. While Google's Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro handsets were built around the promise of AI, Samsung's market share far exceeds that of the Pixel devices. Consumers who choose Samsung will have AI at their fingertips, starting with the S24 family and extending to the new Galaxy A handsets and Galaxy Tabs throughout the year. The practical impact of AI on photography will be integrated into one UI, and Galaxy AI will be a key selling point at every point-of-sale unit. Setting new standards. Samsung could also set a new standard by matching Google's promise of 7 years of software and security updates across the Galaxy S range. This move could propel Samsung to the forefront of the broader consumer market. With its focus on delivering AI, building consumer confidence in the brand, and extending the support window for software and hardware, Samsung's Galaxy S24 is set to shape the smartphone world in 2024. The future of smartphones is here, and it's spelled S24 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.